It's a veg rice na why I call it vegetable rice. Charlie, why a very rich in mushrooms and carrots, bell pepper. I know one of the full bucket to cronum the year. Papa baby, share rice not as Papa baby, a program, Papa baby, and what's owner or ya convibes. Mammy, it's been papa mona from first a while or beer when any much soul no one we are condo. This is Hilda's kitchen. Always and always. Good food, chance and a national cry made in a clean environment. Charlie, it's been eBay. You want to know how this rice is being prepared? Stay tuned with us. People, it's another beautiful day, and we are going to prepare some shakasli rice, but we are going to add a lot of vegetables to it, which is good for our health. So over here we've got mixed onion. I've chopped them very nicely. Carrots, nice one. Bell peppers and mushroom. This is chestnut mushroom. Don't skip through the video. So as you can see, the onion is cooking very well. So after a few minutes, we are going to add our mushroom. Once you see that the onion is becoming translucent or soft, you just add the rest of the veggies. This is the mushrooms. It tastes really nice. Whenever I cook this veggie rice, I can eat it without any meat at all. Try it, guys, and then thank me later. Orokolo. At this time, we are going to add our vegetables, like carrots. Sorry, we are adding our carrots. It tastes really nice, and it's time saving, time saving. So let's keep through it. Look at how colorful and how beautiful. Let's add our bell peppers. There you go. At this time, get your rice ready, because very soon we are going to add our rice. And trust me, if you cook this simple veggie rice or fried rice, sister, thank me later. At this time, I'm going to add my dark soy sauce. I love this one. I normally buy from a shop, but when they don't have, if they don't have, I always get it from Amazon. They've got some. Amazon has got some. It's quite expensive. Small bottles are, but I just love it. I've tried so many, and I feel that this is the best for me. And I also got this from Costco. It's very nice for your rice or to marinate any meat that you want. It's very nice. Going to add some to it. Sister, it makes the food absolutely yummy. If you want to see the bottle again, after adding our sauce, soya sauce to it, I will now add my sauce. And today I'm using chicken seasoning. Use any seasoning that contains salt. You can even use normal salt. It will taste absolutely nice equally. Make sure before you add your rice, you always taste it first. With this type of sauce that I have made now, that I'm going to add my rice, you can equally pour it on your meat, on your chicken for a program. And trust me, obey a talk of the town. So you can use this as side sauce, set as a jollof rice. You can put it aside and people will take it. It's good for the caterers to take this tip. I've washed my rice very nicely. All that I'm doing is I'm just putting the rice in the sauce or rocket. At this time, we are going to mix everything together. So don't skip through the video. You can tell the juiciness in the rice and how yummy it is going to be. After watching this video, Please feel free to share, like, and leave your comments. Thank you so much. You can tell the maid's many obey the one kasa. All the vegetables, the juice in our wakashisha. At this time, all that I'm going to do for the nest is to add hot water and cover the rice. Obviously, you know your rice and you know how soft or how hard you want your rice. So at this time, buy the dough latte. The ball is in your pot. Take it easy. And then let me know after trying this recipe. Tag me and thank me later. Wow. This is hot water. It's very good.
5, 2, 7.
Oh my inyaman oil and tam. Sepezi ban papa. Oh yeah, Hilda's kitchen. Oh, good food. Made in a clean environment. Good food. Hilda's kitchen. Oh yeezy ban papa. Orokodo. Nde. Wampayo woodra. Miriana my coleslaw azabi. Mowa cocoa chicken drums added the what sister. My reviving of fasts. One I'm a no as he in the nanny busy pub baby orokodo. I'm trying to make some coleslaw biazabi. So I've grated 3 medium carrots and I've diced 2 mini onions and I'm going to join them together. And a joint service says as sepets but papa elders kitchen or between 4 months bonjiri dates. So far so good. This is the onion and carrots, right? Very simple. Just to attach to my veg rice. I'm trying to use whatever I have at home rather than running back to the supermarket. So I've got garlic on mayo over here, and I'm also going to add some salad cream. So now I'm trying to mix everything together, put them in a bowl and cover them and set them aside until when the rice is ready. Then there's our body boss sweat or rokodo. Say busy ban papa or yeah Hilda's kitchen. Good food made in a clean environment. Good food, Hilda's kitchen or Yeezy ban papa. Look at the rice, rice, shazi. I'm gonna why I day, sister. You can eat this even without meat or fish, because the vegetables nankas and ponoch and beef. I'm telling you. I don't think I will add any water for now. No. Sister, and Shannon and Yamaning in our level. Shadana Tazi, a veggie rice. So, veggie. Na mama, what's my carrots and I come. That's why people are always seeing me growing very nice, because I eat a lot of veggies. Because I'm not going to add any water again to the rice. The rice looks nice and you're very juicy. It tastes absolutely nice. I'm using parchment paper so that the moisture or the heat can cook or simmer the rice. I have fantabulous the rice share more in cooking wow, the rich taste only a bank holiday veg rice.
Hilda's kitchen, oh, yeah, Hilda's kitchen. good food,
And vegetable rice. Hey. Yo, that's baby. Hello, wonderful people. Happy bank holiday. I don't know when you are going to get this video though. Orokodo, look at veg rice, vegetables. Why and come this is old chicken drums. Nama reviving snapper, coleslaw, man. I'm here. With the jollof rice and egg. Veg rice, na ya come. I'm the way we use that's good food. Not in a clean environment.